Hi Mia, we are going to continue working on IEP goals. This is goal number 2. Now listen carefully. By the end of the 9 instructional weeks, given visual, verbal, and model prompts, Mia will verbally sequence the order of 3 events or ideas from an orally presented story 70% of the time. Let's go ahead and find our worksheet, Mia. Take a few seconds to find it. This is what we're going to be working on today. Now, listen, we need to put these pictures in the right order. Talk about the pictures, write first, second, and third in the boxes. And we're doing the same thing for the top picture and the bottom picture. So, let's look at the pictures, Mia. In this picture, we see a dad and the son putting in the cake in the oven. In the second picture, we see the son and the dad preparing a cake. You see the cake mix, the eggs. They are scrambling all of the ingredients. Picture number 3, you see that the son is eating the delicious cake and the cake is already baked. So, what do you think happened first, Mia? Putting the cake in the oven, mixing everything with the ingredients, or eating the cake? Take a few seconds to write first to the correct picture. If you put first in this picture, your answer is correct. This is the first thing that happened. Now take a few seconds to put second on the next picture. So what happened next after the ingredients? Did the cake go in the oven or did they eat the cake? Now go ahead and write down second on the next picture, Mia. If you wrote down second on this picture where the dad and the son are putting the cake in the oven, you are correct. So that means that our last picture, Mia, is where the son is enjoying the cake and the cake is already baked. Good job, Mia. Now again, talk about the pictures, write first, second, and third in the boxes. Now, let's go ahead and look at the pictures. So here we have the son and the dad going to school. Picture number 2, you can see them eating breakfast. You see the eggs, they're eating breakfast. It looks like they're still at home, right? Look at the table and the chairs. They're sitting down enjoying their breakfast. Now, the third picture, the little boy is putting on his jacket. So what happened first, Mia? Think about in the morning when you go to school. What is the first thing that you do? Do you go to school, then eat breakfast, then put on your jacket? No. The first thing that we do is we eat breakfast. So that is the first thing that we do. Now, what happened next, Mia? He's getting ready to go out. So what happens next? Good, he's putting on the jacket. What about after putting on his jacket? Daddy's taking him to school. Good job, Mia. Awesome job.